What is up guys, Charlie Pangus here. Welcome to my t-shirt design masterclass where I'm gonna teach you guys everything you need to know in Illustrator to create a custom t-shirt design. That's right guys, I'm gonna take you from beginner level to advanced level and you guys are gonna be creating your own custom t-shirt designs in no time. Not only am I gonna show you guys how to use the tools in Illustrator to create a custom shirt design, but at the end of this course I have 3 projects for you guys. We're gonna be creating a custom shirt graphic and I'm gonna walk you through the entire process. So we're gonna go from the start of a shirt design to the end of a shirt design, finalizing it, and I even have some bonus tips and tricks at the end of this course to show you how to color a design, color separate the design for print, and all this other good stuff. So it's a great course full of information. Best part about this course is I will be updating it very often, so you guys will always have new content to look at, new tutorials to practice your skills on. I'll be checking the Q&A section very often to answer your guys' questions as they come. And that's the goal here, guys. I want you guys to go from beginner to advanced level really quickly in this masterclass. I don't want you to have to take any other class. I want this to be the only class you need to become a t-shirt design master. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this course, and I cannot wait to start teaching you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the course.